Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own lib/mod menu. Now this tutorial will be really easy and very straightforward. Alright, so what you're going to do first, you're going to go into my Discord, and then you're going to download, you're going to come in here, and you're going to download Android Studio. It will be in stuff for modding in here. I just haven't posted it yet. And then once you've installed Android Studio, I'm also going to put my template in here. Like template, I'm going to name it template for a tutorial, or in templates. So this one will be for you. Okay, so say you've installed Android Studio now, and you have everything set up. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Android Studio. This may look different. I will go out so I can show you this. So this is what it will look like once you install it. So you're going to download the Misty's template in here. You're going to go into your file explorer, say something like, I don't know, like a random zip file like this. You're going to extract it, and once you've extracted it, you're going to go all the way until you see this, and then you're going to go back one, and then this will be the file that you're going to want to open. So you will copy this, you're going to click open, you're going to click up here, Control V, click enter, and then right here, this will be your mod menu. So you're going to click on this file, and you're going to click select folder, and now this is my menu, or an old type of my menu. Now this will be your menu. This is what we're going to work on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open back up the template that you guys will be using. So say this is your menu. All these are your buttons. This is what shows on the menu. Now that is basically like almost it is how you add buttons. Okay, but say you want to add something, like, and you copy one of these, right? And then, like, say you want an overpowered one. You see how it says player mods? You're going to want to change it to overpowered mods. This is what, or you could just copy it from here. Say I click overpowered mods, and then Crash All will pop up if you search it, or whatever name you've put in. And I'll show you how to add scripts later into your menu. So another thing you might want to do, or you always want to do, you're going to go into menu, you're going to go into menu manager, where it says, I'm going to just put this as MMH modding. So this will be on line 117 in your menu manager. Now you don't want to remove a space right here. You just want to keep it like this and keep that right there. Now this will be your menu name. And now there's really nothing else you need to change in here. Not like literally nothing in here that you need to change except the menu name. Or unless you're trying to add something else that I don't know of, because I've never changed anything else in here. So next, if you want to change your color right here, these are your colors right here. You can literally just ask ChatGPT or something to give you like a certain type of color, because the colors that are presetted on this are they're not very good. So you'll copy this and send it to whatever AI you want to change the color. I know that may sound like you're skidding, but that's what I did. It's kind of hard to fucking get colors like this. But these in settings, it will be at line 35 to line 44. These will be your colors. And those are your colors. Okay, so Now, if you want to change your menu name, like say you want to change like the lib name, okay? You're gonna go in here and delete everything right here, and then I'm just gonna put this as Misty Temp. Yeah, I'm gonna just put that as that. So it'll be in CM make lists, and then since I put in anti-ban in the menu already for you, so you don't have to do it yourself, you're going to go to line 141. You're gonna come right here and change this to whatever you want. Change this name to whatever you want. Now this will show on the MLTD of like Misty on top or like whatever you want to put. This is what I have on my menu. And it also has login with custom ID, which gets you unbanned from the game that you got banned in. And if you get IP banned, you can just use a VPN, and then you can get out of the ban again. So it's very OP. And this 141 is where you'll change the name for MLTD and code of conduct. And that's really much it on how to make a menu. I'll also show you how to make a new category right now. So you're gonna copy whatever category is right here, Control C, press enter, and then paste it with Control V. You're gonna change this number to 7, and then whatever you want the category name to be, I'm just gonna put mine as temp. So I'm gonna copy this. You're gonna click enter. After you copy this, click Control V. You're gonna click cool people. See this right here? That's your menu button name, like the category. So I'm just gonna put this to temp because that's what my category is. Then you're gonna change the set current category to 7 or whatever number. Mine was cool people and it was number 6. So I just added one, like literally 1 plus 1, I don't even know, plus 1 number. Well, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, obviously. You're gonna add the next number after whatever this one was. So mine is temp. I set it to this. And then here are your buttons right here. Like this is the tooltip that's the notification basically. Okay, now say you want to add like an OP script, right? So you're going to delete all these, right? You're going to go to like one of these buttons that have a function like this. You're going to copy it, Control C, and then you're going to paste it into here. So once you have this, I'm just going to use a random script, like leave room. This doesn't work. You're gonna change this to Photon mods because that's what section mine is in, and I'm gonna put it as leave room. Now this is what your button is gonna be doing. Now say you want a button to just set you as like master, right? This right here, this is toggleable. So if you just want a button, right, that does a function once, like say set master, you're gonna copy is toggleable and then put is toggleable false. Then you're gonna come right here between the function and the tooltip. You're gonna paste it right here, and that will make the button just do it. So now if I change this to leave room, this is what the button name will be. This is your button name, this is your function, and this is asks like the menu, is it toggleable? And then the menu thinks, no, it's not toggleable. So then if you press the button, it does it the function once. And then your tooltip is the notification that will pop up. And then that's really much it. That's how you add a new category with a button. And then always keep the back button or you will not be able to get out of that one page. And this will be like way more optimized before you get it. Like I still haven't finished working on it as I'm making this video. Okay, but say you want to add like one of these scripts. I'm going to post more in here. But say you want to add this. We're going to copy it and go to overpowered, since this is an overpowered mod. You scroll down until you find these. Now I'm going to remove these right here because these sadly do not work, except, well, they don't work of that I know of. So then you're going to paste it in, right? You're going to put public, and then you're going to put these two dots like that. This will make the script be able to go into your button. And now, this script won't work yet because you need an SDK. So, say I have an SDK, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to go to your menu. You're going to go in here. You're going to go app, src, main, cpp. You're going to click include. This is where you want to drag it. Okay, so say you've downloaded the SDK. This will be in my server. Once you have it, I'm just going to drag out a new tab right here. Okay, so say this is my SDK. This is just random. So you're going to drag it into here. But I'm not going to do it because I might mess up the menu. But this is your SDK. Like say this is the SDK. You're going to drag it into right in here and then put it right here. Then you're going to wait for it to load. It will take a second for it to actually load into here. And then this will have no errors since you put in the SDK. And then you're also going to want to go all the way to the top where it says these. You're also going to want to go into my Discord again. You're going to want to get this one script. So this makes it have an include so it doesn't have errors. Now I'm just going to, this will be in here. This will be in tutorials all connected into one big file for you. Or I may swap this to a form and then you can see it. All the stuff you'll be needing will be in there. So, and that's how you add like one of those scripts that need, like, that will error and it won't work. Here, I will add these for you, or I may not later, because I'm probably going to add this so you can just add those scripts yourself, or you want to do it manually. I'm probably just going to let you do it manually so you can learn easier. And then, just remember, anti-ban up here, MOTD name is right here. I'm saying this just so you can remember. Your lib name will be right here in ZMake lists. Your buttons will always be in buttons. Your colors will always be in menu manager. Your buttons will, no, your color will be in settings right here. Sorry about that. It'll be right here. Your name will be in menu manager right here. This will be your name. Just leave it like. You can change this right here. There will be more scripts provided in my server for you. So I hope this template and stuff in this tutorial really helps you out on how to make your own menu. I know this tutorial might not be very good. I mean, it's currently 12 a.m. and I'm like still very tired, even though I woke up at like 11 p.m. So everything will be in my server, link in the description. I hope this helps you out. Have a good day.